guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be another coloured eye makeup tutorial, and it is going to be a blue eye makeup tutorial. I am wearing the same colour shirt as my eyes. Didn't plan it, just sort of happened. Yeah, this is the fourth coloured eye makeup tutorial. I've done purple, green, silver, and now blue. So yeah, I am loving doing these coloured eye makeup tutorials and showing you guys how you can make colour really wearable. This is not very wearable, but I would actually wear this out. As long as you pair bright coloured bold eyes with a nude lip, you're gonna be fine. The silver one is probably the only one that I would want to pair it with like a brighter lip. Not too much brighter, but still brighter. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this eye look, then just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to start by priming my eyes with the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. I'm going to set my primer with White Lies by Makeup Geek. Now I'm going to go in with Hipster by Makeup Geek, and this is going on a large blending brush in the crease in large circular motions from outer to inner corner. This can be as messy as you like, but not too messy. Now I'm going to go in with Chickadee, remembering to tap off the excess before you go in. And this is going in smaller circular motions with the same brush. Now I'm going to go in with MAC's Atlantic Blue. And this is going in little circular motions. Now I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions, and I'm going to use this blue in the palette. And this is going on the lower lash line. Just wiping off the brush we just used, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions. I'm going to use this burgundy-ish sort of shade, and we're just applying this in the crease over the blue shade, and we're just going in larger, small circular motion. Now going in with Makeup Geek Center Stage, and I'm just starting this in the center of the eye, not going anywhere in the inner third, and I'm just patting this all over the eyelid. Now I'm going to go in with this dense small blending brush and just blend out that blue shade, and then I'm going back in with Center Stage. Change my mind, I'm going to go right into the center, but not like into the tear duct, and by center I mean of the face. Now moving on to the Huda Beauty Electrics palette, I'm going to use this bluish shade down here. And this is going right in the center of the eye. Now I'm going to grab a flat brush and Center Stage again. So I'm just cleaning up that inner part and the outer part, and I'm just going to blend out those edges. And I'm going back in with the blue shade again from the Huda Beauty palette, and back in with the brush and center stage. Now I'm going to go in with MAC's Shadow Lady, and this is going on a tapered blending brush, and this is just going very lightly in the crease. Now with the big fluffy blending brush, I'm going to grab Chickadee again and just blend out Shadow Lady. And so then I was just cleaning up my inner tear duct and my lower lash line. I'm just going to grab some more of that teal colour and just pat that very, very lightly over the top again. And then now for mascara, I'm using Too Faced Better Than Sex. For lipstick, I am going to use the Rimmel Stay Satin Liquid Lip Colour in Psych. Okay, so that's the end of this eye makeup tutorial. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me when you guys do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.